Ner mala ken yam ka na dial content barwani lingwas me ka Nuer TV. Bia kamal an wale shan ka bakel ka pai badak ron kina dang ro wide jan dang ro wide dich. Jo bana lingwas me rege chituok re wicha ka so Sudan. En re wacha bana lingwas me no cha ne ti shop ko badak cha kanak ka cha hok ti chop ke kina dang diok cha ka kwal ki cha ka page kora mo kor mi jitok ka mo giri market kam jani kana netin koni shal ke morleni jirama la minister of information mela rwanya lat ka great people administrative area ala GPAA which jaba chikala do nena kan waktin kontin chanan ka market ko jaba ki ko morleni and when money mi chaka nang lo nang ka mo giri no la jen kam dan la wala we ko tin ko en place ma chai dal ka la gwa mi la hok la ka ko tin chi jabani chi chuga chu wen mi mi ne ka shop dien re we mo chu to go no chi ngwane jaba chi ngwane murle tin ko ne nang ka tin na ko ko ngai kan go ok tin ko nang kan ka ko la kwal kan bana ko la kwal kan ka shirma ngai ko na an wana mo chwa ga nyure ka ngwane jane no jen wo korten no chwa ka chu nag ne chu ko badak ka chwa o kindi kin dang jok chwa yo pe ka ko to ngwana long no jen jo shaling no ne badak sha ka ne ke okti kin dang jok cha pe ja no chinetin konen te kalwang kala no koro mo to ka 7:30 pm gwan mi mo chinetin la jang ngwane jane ki jang dial wachore ya leka ngwan ke long wachuren chwaben ka market kana kan ji morlene ka market ko market midit bor market midit long ka woko wade ko ko bane ka jupa ka jowranti ka lat jane ka bendien re market ka chu kan chu nek nene konta la ji morle ka chu kan okin chu kan yona no jendien wachi kan okti kin do kan yona ka rodien ken ngai kono no mala tuong ni shanka murle no ko kan la kanok la kana ngwa de dan chane ngaje no chikanok ne di ti shalke ji dinka ke jang chikanok kin kan nang ne ko gwa se dan kanok te kono kan kan nang chira ngai kono chikan jang kan nang ok to ngwana long ne ko gwa de dan ko me cha to kore dan e to kai Equatoria ngai konti diale koni charen lat ko gwa sedan en tam wa let kene rive en kene di konti na la tila jang no Jacob Wershum Jok, the Minister of Information in the Greater People Administrative Area, said the attacker targeted cattle traders from the area who were temporarily set up camp in Mogiri. At around 7:30 p.m. local time, army used stormed the camp where cattle traders from Greater People Administrative Area were temporarily selling their cattle. The incident led to the killing of 8 traders, the wounding of 8 others, and the looting of 3,350 cattle. This happened in Mogiri Payam, Central Equatorial State, Wershum said. The identities of the attacker remain unknown, but Wershum say report from the ground suggests they may have come from the Mangala area where they were seen aiding with the stolen cattle. The attacker have not yet been identified, but according to report, they moved the cattle toward Mangala. Traders believe the assailant came from there and are currently pursuing them. Wereshum noted that the Central Equatorial State government had previously agreed to protect traders operating in the area. The question how such a deadly incident could take place despite those arrangements. Last year, there was an agreement within Central Equatorial authorities to ensure the safety of traders from Greater People Administrative Area. They even designated a specific area for selling cattle. We are now trying to understand why such an attack occurred in a government-identified location that fall under Central Equatorial jurisdiction, Wershum say. He condemned the attack and urged the national government to ensure the perpetrators are held accountable. Meanwhile, Jacob Aligo, the Central Equatorial State Minister of Information, said the state government has dispatched a team to investigate the incident. We have sent an investigation team to Mogeri Paya. When they return, I will issue an official statement, Aligo said. The Mogiri Cattle Trading Center is a key economic hub attracting aid from central and eastern Equatoria. The latest attack has raised fear of disrupted trade and increased tensions between neighboring communities. Menen kona me ka joran jika lat kwasa me lat ken no kwai kenetin kontin kan ka okti chobe kindang jok kudang jok kan keneti chok badek kone anak di nen lo ken to ken tin kone chitu lo chika na gor no bangach no netin kone na kini kona ko ke jang but Georgia longo no ne kon tin ko gwa the me ka jang chika ne ideal ka jang di are leka ko ngai kon ne ka jen Equatorian winimi me cha ok gan cha ka nan ka bom ne ne ri chal kan team or leni la mi cha coordinate ne ji Central Equatoria lo shuren mat kel ke jaba chu kan ok jan tung wan kan kan nga chu kan jang no wan chu kan na gwa de dan cha na wet jan tung wan tin la hali ken tin la hok la ka nok la kan ka yen no chu kor mo chu tuok chen me ngai kone antama na me chere ka mi lush chul kan ni ne je ge dan shalat ke murleni kan ji Equatoria so en gwada dan shanen gwada me magiri gwada me mo shari ale ka ku me la to la kum kir mi yadi den wode ok de ka kwa katin ki ta dan chi ji Equatoria kan gujeno en gwada ba ja ganke netin kon la kwar cheng ne me chi kana gujeno ba ka ganke so cheka peno de ka ma kan tam chi me shai linga no chane badek cha na ka murle ka chaw ken dik na dang jok cha kan ka market ken chaw nyure ke ka chirman le che cha de ngani no cha nyure kan ga nyure ka ken jiga ka wi ga ba ka tok di altiketin jen bendien ka chu kan market chu kan chu storm chu kan nang na de kan yu to ka yu no to yu kan yu pay so millet ro ni sha so question on nen tam bu ku mo ngolel bok to ba ka recover ken dia ba ka lo jok ka de tin kon la jang so chia ka chuling bonu lar kenen wode tin kon tin makana ka market kene shike kwai keke de kule kujide taw kene loko no ba ngach jan ta na la to ka jang chika na gor no ba la to ye ken nan ko to ni ke ken na kana to ni du me dor di ne che cha la de ke ken but ko ka jang ka ken ne ko na la roi la ka gor ko ngwa report chika na gor no bana roi ke kwidi ne ke ni ko na kana ke ni ko na pe ko so jo me jana dan en le ro de tama no ke juba ne badak cha kanak ne ka hok to ko kin dang dok ku dok ti cha page jang ka pe ken ka murle ne so jen sha ne na kor murle kane jang ne kele le ke ba ma ti ma ngai kono la kan wari am ngun bu ko nang kana kan wari pe ken god and all that so jen dana go de nywa kel ba te ko